Hello ladies and gents, welcome back into the channel. Today we're going to be looking at DeFiChain crypto, one of the top pumpers in the blockchain market today. I'm jacobcrypobury. I'm one of the most active YouTubers in the entire bear market, so if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel. That helps very much. Let's have a little look at DeFiChain. We can see rank 214, still a relatively low market cap of 689 million, but we are getting a surge of volume today and we are up 10.73% today, so pretty nice move here. We can see over the last week we've been seeing lows under $1 and we're all the way over here up to $1.44. So over the last week it's really presented some very strong opportunity, but we are starting to get a small pullback here for DeFiChain following these very euphoric levels. So what's DeFiChain? Let's have a look at price prediction. What could potentially happen here for DeFiChain? So most of the volume is coming through Qcoin, 10% over there, Huobi 3%, and a few other centralized exchanges. We're also seeing some juicy volume come in. DeFiChain is the native decentralized finance for Bitcoin, a blockchain dedicated to fast, intelligent, and transparent decentralized financial services, accessible by absolutely everyone. So it's quite a nice website. It's kind of giving me like Uniswap vibes in terms of the brand colors and things like that. But I think it's quite nice actually. It looks pretty good. I don't hold this project. I've just actually discovered it today, since I did notice it as being one of the big pumpers. You can see there's some staking opportunities here on the ecosystem itself. They've got DeFi Scan, not sure what that is. Another sidearm to the business. It looks like the on-chain analytics for the DeFiChain coin. But yeah, I think it's really quite a nice coin actually. 55.6k followers, so they're not absolutely humongous, but I like the mission. I like the statement here, DeFi for Bitcoin. So it's definitely got a big purpose in the blockchain environment. It looks like they're pretty active, and they're communicating with their holders quite persistently, which I think is so important for reassurance, especially during a bear market. So let's have a little look what's going on for DeFi coin. We can see, of course, back in the bull market of May 2021 and also the alt season of December 2021, we can see that we're still rather undervalued. We've been hit quite heavily. We've had a very strong correction. Overall, it was an 87% correction, so not the worst. I mean, not a classic altcoin correction of 90% plus, but since May 2022, where we had the Terra Luna crash, it's been terrible. It's been absolutely terrible, to be honest. I mean, look at this. We lost 84% in valuation. I'm not sure what the correlation was, to be honest. And then in June, we had Bitcoin crossing the 200-week moving average, another horrible bearish thing that occurred. So what's happened here? We've been pumping recently over the last few days. You can see that we do have a crazy amount of support around this particular level now, which is the 0.77 cents level. We did get a really nice rally. So if you bought in like the third week of August, you'd still be up a whopping 66% on your investment. Now, it doesn't surprise me that we got rejected on this diagonal resistance trend line right here at what we call it, $1.42, because we have so much resistance along this trend line, rejection after rejection, multiple rejections, right? So that's what we've effectively seen right here, and we're also overbought on that daily relative strength index, bringing the Bollinger Bands. We are overextended, so it does mean we are looking effectively for a pullback here to a healthy level of support, which I think would be about $1.21. You can also see we're overextended on our 20-day moving average right here, really overextended. So what we can use is the Fibonacci retracement tool. This tells us where effectively a good level of support, or where we're likely to see a bounce in the crypto markets would be. In my opinion, it's going to be, one sec, just adjusting my microphone because it's so sensitive. Right, I think it could be around the 0.382, again, it sits just beneath that $1.21 level. So if we can do that and kind of get us just a small pullback, what I think would be really nice is, we get this rejection, we retest this $1.20, bounce off, retest. Even if we come back under, retest as resistance, then we come through, then we make our way up to the $1.76 resistance, which is a major resistance level for DeFiChain. And that's where I think we can actually potentially head for 2022 if we do see bullish trajectory, a bullish reversal for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. So keep your eyes peeled, because this could be a scenario that does actually happen. In my opinion, if we do come down to these lower $1 levels, I probably will consider putting in a position. I don't like getting into projects when we are overbought on the RSI, however, so I will be waiting. As you can see, this is overbought position. Sorry, overbought. So this is the oversold position, and this is the oversold position here. So both times the oversold positions on the relative strength index did actually offer prosperity. they were lucrative opportunities, right? So look out for the oversold positions, avoid overbought positions. So don't buy in now, is my opinion. Not financial advice, of course, but that's exactly what I do. So for 2022, I think $1.78 is certainly pragmatic. We do have a very long way to go to get back to that $5 level. Now, it could be something to do with the circulating supply. Let's have a little look. 43% is in circulation, so that's not typically amazing. We want to get more of that circulating supply into the ecosystem. I'm not sure what the tokenomics here are like, but that could be also why, you know, back in the day when we look at the market cap, it was 2.2 billion, which is about 3 times higher than where we are now, but the price, the all-time high, was much more than 3 times higher back when it was at that market capital all-time high. So it's something to do with the supply there, guys. Rainbow chart on the Bitcoin side of things, you can see we're still in the dark blue, so effectively we're in an altcoin or just a Bitcoin crypto accumulation season. It's more of a minimized risk, right, to be buying crypto today than it would be, you know, in the bull market, overextended, overgreed, you know, back when we were at like $60,000. That would not be the right time to buy, but now could effectively present good opportunity, right? So yeah, and that goes for all things like pre-sales, meme coins, altcoins, layer ones. Ethereum greed index today is 22, guys, so check that out too. Not looking amazing, but you know, it is what it is. We're in a bear market. Check out the Tamadoge pre-sale down below as well. It's really, really exciting. I'm in that one. And also get yourself into the Discord channel just down below as well. I'd love to see you there. Nearly 400 of you lovely people are in my Discord channel, and that means a lot, guys. The last thing I'd love you to do for me is just smash that subscribe button, like and comment on this video. If you're new here, the subscribe really does help the channel grow. That YouTube algorithm is bulletproof, guys. I'm not even joking. Anyway, that's about a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video of DeFiChain and the analysis. Let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Goodbye for now.